everybody, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So by the way, I'm Jalai and I'm a Filipino vlogger from the Philippines. And welcome to my mountain life vlog. And if you're new here, please don't forget to click the like, click the subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos update. And today guys, we're gonna continue about our land farm project. So as you can see, here I'm here in the middle of the farm that I just bought. So since we are ready to operate the farm guys, what we are doing right now is we are putting all the posts, metal posts, to put also the metal roof. So after that, we can see how big it is. I know that's 1,610 together with the right of way, but I just want to see really the wide, the length, charot, the width, the length, everything. I just want to see everything. So that's the reason why we have metal post. And soon we're gonna make a fence. I know that it's gonna be a big fence. It's gonna be big, and yeah, it's because it's big land. All right, so here guys, it's my brother and our neighbor is helping as well to work with him and doing the post. So here they just I'll show you people. So this is the, wow, this is not deep. Lalom man dagoy gamay. Maybe it's not too deep. Yeah, that's the hole guys, and this is the metal post. Wow, it's very long. It's 6 foot length and 6 foot long. And here is my brother. He's mixing the cement. So guys, the reason why we need to put a cement on it to make stronger the foundation. And this metal post, maybe I'm gonna also put also the solar lights maybe. I don't know guys, but this is the boundary. So I need a metal post. And here is our mohon. I'll show you the mohon guys. That is the sign of boundary of your land. And it is, yeah, the boundary of your territory. Ta-da! So that's it. This one is the post, as you can see, this part, and you're not allowed to take that off. So all we have to do is to insert the pole in here, the metal post in here. And here is the thing that my brother doing. He's mixing with cement and gravel. I think sand and gravel. Gravel, we really need gravels guys, because it's for foundation. So I will tell my brother to put more gravel on it, because I can see that it's more on sand and cement, and that is not make it stronger. And these are our worker here, Binay. Buhay. I think mabawra na kuan. We should do a metal, I bang that one guys, but it's not enough to do that because it's a little bit sandy and there is a little bit rocks in there, so it's no good for banging. That is good only for putting a cement. And by the way, this is my brother's bike, the one that I purchased for him. Look at that. And he's using this for making money every day. He's doing well guys, and he saved a lot of money now. That is enough for him to live with his partner, which is good. And now he's helping me here. He's my brother. Say hi. Hi. Oh god. Say hi. Hi. That's Jory Cat. So these are This part, everyone, these are the sugar canes that I need to remove. Look at that. I need to remove this. I don't need that. I will give that also some of if the policeman would like to have this, I will give this sugar canes to him. So he will take that off. Take that out from my land. Wuta, and that's my brother. Wow, nanalagyan na hinog. He's bringing some bananas. Ah, daggo kayo. Sige, they're harvesting banana. Ay. Sakura. Namalagyan na isagbot. Okay. So here guys, these are the coconuts. So that coconut is mine now. So many over there. Oh, I think not so many. I think only 5 coconuts under my land. Yeah, only 5 coconuts. And we have banana. So the banana is now has a flowers in it. We were gonna harvest that in 3 months, 4 months time. I don't know. And here's another coconut. I think that's mine still. I don't know. I don't think so if that's mine still. I think that's mine. I will ask the owner, guys. For sure, I think that's still mine. And that part, the next of this land is the policeman's land as well. And here's the house of the owner. So she can also help watching my land here. Yeah, they put some water in. That's not enough water. I think that's not enough water. Oh, you will fetch water. Look, how does he do it? Mixing it. Are you sure what you're doing? Are you sure with that? With your life? Are you okay with that? Char. And over there, guys, there are that's bananas as well over there and coconuts. I think that's still mine. So, oh, that but it's small coconuts, so we cannot harvest it yet. Charan! Really nice to kuan oh. The soil is very healthy. I like it. I think this is my future life. My future life. Especially this one, oh, this one is too hard. So what we're gonna do is to remove this. We need gloves when we do this, guys, because if we don't have gloves, if no gloves, everyone, you were gonna cut your skin. I will give some of the sugar canes to the owner as well, guys, because I don't need it. Look, tanan, our first sugar canes. So here we just got some water from the neighbor. They give us water, guys, for mixing the cement. Sana all, you're so strong. So the good thing about this area, guys, is the neighborhood is very good. You don't have to worry about the neighbor. They're nice. So I'm gonna visit my neighbor here. Wow! Pila na siya? I'm gonna buy that jackfruit, guys. Oh, wow! I like the jackfruit, guys. Oh, look, so many jackfruit. They're going to sell this in the city. Wow! Wow! Look at the papaya, guys. Oh, it's so big. Gulang na nino. This is crunchy, guys. If you eat it. Look at the other one. Oh. She's harvesting banana. This is the good thing about living in the province. Oh! Wala ra nadabok? We'll see if it's damaged or not. Uy, gulang na to, no? Diba? At the back of your house, Char. Nanay kuan. You wanna sell this, ya? I want your itik. Ay, nalibang! Kamatay. Kuya, she just poop.
Sana na nimo na kong itik.
Look. That's how you take that off. Pila dagway na? 3 pieces for 10 pesos. Sa una no, tag piso ra na, no? Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, wow. It's already done. Look. Ipabuta nga nagbato? Oh. You need to put stone on it so that it's strong. And here's... Igura simento? Hopefully the cement is enough. We spent 2 sacks of cement. Yurot ang 2 ka sako? Oh. Ay, it's already finished. Wow. This is the another mohon, guys. But since the mohon is here, we cannot straight that. So we just put in here because people were passing here. But if they will close the land over there, because there is new people, a new buyer who bought the land over there. If they close that area, we will gonna move this post to here so that no one can in. But as of now, we are very kind and generous. We will put the post here for the meantime because the policeman also will close his area, will gonna lock his area if somebody will lock in there. So yeah, look. Oh, wow. I'm very excited to put a sweet potato, what else, eggplants, and more. Because this land, it is very loose because they used to cultivate this for the sugar canes. So it is gonna be good for sweet potato and more crops. Very excited. Woo! And my brother is over there. He's gonna insert that post there. Look at him. Go, Mayot! You can do that. Go, go, go. Look, he walks too fast. Careful with the sugar canes. So this is also the entrance, guys. Going up there to the right of way. So the right of way is over there. Going here. So we will check another post here. Oh, there is a cow. What are you doing here, cow? What are you doing here? Oh, here. I don't know where's the other post. Hi! Don't bite me. There's the other post, guys. So it's like that. Entrance. Here. That's the post. Going there. And another post there. And there. So it's like that. So we will see that later, guys, when we already put the roof. Hi, cow! Don't bite me. 01. $25. So we just finished putting the post, guys. What we're gonna do is we wait the cement to dry. Then we will gonna put roof on it because we need to make sure that it's strong. He's in love, guys. Sana all. If you're not in love, you're not a human. You're a cow. Aga, sa gudsod man. Wow. Look. Ito matapalan itong muhon, ha. Don't cover the mohon. Tingala. Tanan! 011425. That's my surprise for my mother. Oh, diba? It's a jackfruit. Oh, remove na mga chinilas na. Oh, look, mother guys, oh, very excited. Na. Yan nga, what pagkaon to ah.
Ay, ngawat sa pagkaon. Be?
Wow! Lahinugan naman ni Kay. Look!
Sino kayo dyan ah?
Wow, it's very ripe, guys.
Sila po sila.
Hamisa, so sweet, guys.
Hiding eh.
I love it. Wala inang kailikin na ito. Wow!
Anak ba anak? Na.
So delicious. I paid her 100 pesos, guys. $2. Less than to 1.80. Gutom ba ako? I don't have lunch, guys, but jackfruit is fine for me. I used to eat jackfruit before during breakfast. Hi everyone, so we are finally back here again in the land to attach the roof. Look, that's my brother. He's going to, I think the cement is already, is that enough? Okay na ba ng cement to? Wait, let me try. I think it's not. Ayaw bayag hugtig ah. That's the post. And the other post is there. So it's time to install the Alright, that's my brother, guys. Hopefully the post is already strong, or else we are boo-boo. Do you think, guys, the roof is enough? I don't think so. Hopefully your guess is okay. I told the man today that don't put your cow here again because it can damage the land. It can make the land harder. So it's better to have loose one so that it's easy for us when we do farming. It's so crumpled now. Oh. Careful. Here's the cow, oh. Hello, cow. Hello! Hi, cow. Hello. No! Oh my god, the roof is not enough. We need to buy more. Tanan. Layo man. So I think we need 50 meters na lang dagay, no? Ah? I think 50 meters left. I will buy more posts as well. So we need roof and pole. Metal post. Another 2. So guys, my brother just arrived here and he bought a new set of rope. Rope. Sorry for the pronunciation of rope. It's rope. Char. Alright, here. He is here trying to connect the rope. And so finally guys, it's already almost 6 p.m. now and we just finished everything. Oh my juiceness. Oh, din ibalighot pag yun.